How's it going, guys? Carl here, and today in Power BI we're going to be talking about role level security and how to apply role level security in your Power BI model. Let's go ahead and go straight to the desktop. Alright, now that we're in our Power BI model, we have a grocery store data table that we imported from SharePoint. And what we want to do is add some role level security. So let's just go ahead and create a table. In this table, we're going to add in, let's just add in region and sales. All right, so we're going to add in region and sales. So region and sales is what we have so far. And imagine we wanted some role level security. How would you add role level security to your Power BI model? Well, if you come up here to modeling, you have manage roles and you have view as. Right now, we don't have any roles established, but we can create roles. So let's just say we wanted to create a role, and let's just call this the South, right? Let's just call this the South region. So imagine you have 3 region managers, and you have a South region, so on and so forth. And what you want to do is create a role in the South region, right? So we're just going to say grocery store. We're going to add a filter to the region. And then in this value here, what you want to put is South. So let's just go ahead and write South. Make sure you spell it right. Hit this check mark here. It should tell you if you got syntax error, so on and so forth. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and create this role. So we'll save it. And if we come here and view as, let's just say view as South. If we hit OK, now we're viewing this as the South region. So now the particular South region will be able to view this model. Let's just say you have region analyst, and then you have a manager over all the regions. So if we wanted to stop viewing, let's just say all, right? Let's just call this all. Call that all regions. And then we'll just save it. So now we have all. All right, so we have South. If we click on South, and we can stop viewing that, or we can come up here and say, well, give me all, right? Let's just give me all. Boom. So now we have South and we have all. Now we have established some role level security. So in order to get this to work, let's just save this down as role level security, all right? I'm gonna save this role level security, and then we're gonna publish this to a workspace. Just publish it to my workspace, okay? Because we just want to test this out. So we'll publish it to my workspace. We can go here and open it up. Just to go into my workspace. So we're in my workspace, and it wants us to take a survey. We're okay with that. We're good on that. So we have role level security in my workspace. Let's go to my workspace, all right? So what we want to do is we want to click on here, and then we want to go to security. Now what happens is if we go to security and add a member, let's just add someone. I'm just adding myself to South. All right, so if I say South, all right, I'm gonna add and save. Once you save it, you can come up here and click on test as role. You're only looking at this as South from the role level security. So we have established role level security in Power BI. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down in the comment section to suggest more videos, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.